Ngayon guys, magpa-pack orders tayo. And let's open it. Double check. Baka kulang kasi may fake order. Di ko sinave guys kasi. Comment lang guys. Mag-comment na kayo dyan. Tapos ang color.
Charge mo eh.
Maano mo na
Charge yung
yun.
cellphone mo.
Guys, sorry. Yun guys. Yes. This is the big order. Guys, let's double check the stickers. This is I don't know. 2, 4, 6. 2 for 6, yes. It's 6. Tama. Correct. Okay. The cards. Okay guys, I'm vlogging because I miss you guys. This is our meron pa to. She have many items. Okay. I don't want because it's gonna be dirty. Because the photo cards. Let's see what 1, 2, 4, 6, 8. Let's go. Okay, guys. Kuya Zach has a order. Yeah, guys, just comment what color you want. I'm gonna please comment, subscribe, and like. It's a fake order. You're gonna not keep it because that's mine. It's gonna transform to the 0. Okay, let's see what is order. 1 stickers and 1 Jisoo. That's her order. Okay, I think it's fine. Guys, ready for part 2 because bye. Ready for part 2.